was a great pleasure today that we had an alumni meet at Upahar Hotel in MHOW. The agenda for the meeting: formation of alumni, adoption of bylaws of KENDRIYA VIDYALAYA Alumni Association, election of office bearers, life membership and annual fee, next alumni meet. The members were elected today. The President Rakesh Sharda from the 1979 batch, Vice President Suvinay Mathur from the 1980 batch, Secretary Rakesh Chaudhary 1980 batch, Joint Secretary Rajiv Dalal 1981 batch, Treasurer Reggie Anthony 1983 batch, Legal Advisor Hemant Thakkar 1982 batch. The executive members: Milind Joshi, Yogesh Vinze, Dinesh Mundra, Parag Tiwari, Mahesh Sharma, Rakesh Gupta, Vijay Solanki, Anand Negi, Gulfam Zakaria, Rajiv Srivastav. The accounts would be handled by the President, Secretary and the Treasurer. And the patron for the association would be Mrs. I. Suprabha.